Guys, we're at the third, I have no idea how many cruises this is, of just the damn tour. Idea of the name came from Cal and Randall, which is right there. Has planned the route here out in Branson. We're all meeting up here to do this cruise, but we do a cruise outside of Branson. Follow, like, sign up for the event, if you will. Say that you're interested or going for the next year's, and that is going to be the 4th Saturday of July 2024. Okay, guys? Enjoy!